about bonding. No truth in the now. There's no truth in the now. There isn't a single relationship that while you're in that relationship, in that moment, you're going to be able to know what's true about that relationship. You can't, it's emotional. You see, it's also one of the tricks of the gods, and it's one of the tricks of being a human being and why it takes us so long to nurture our young. If you're an emotional person and you can stay with somebody for 7 years, you're really going to know whether you want to renew that bond or not. You know, and that 7 years is a deep mechanical, chemical force that's at work in us. It just is. You see, it takes time for us in relationships, because relationships are emotional, to be able to go through the spectrum of that relationship and find clarity in what it is. You know, that's why it's so important for us to recognize that we need to have the tension, the disappointment, the pain, all of these things that are a byproduct of being in somebody else's life. It's not about avoiding any of these things. It's not about saying, if I know who I am, blah, 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 I'm not going to get that. Not true. Because, of course, it's part of the process. To be informed is painful. It's just part of what it is to go through our experiment of life. And it's one of the things to see that all relationships are going to have tension in them. I mean, it's natural. If you enter into them clearly as yourself, then you can work that process through. No question about that.